Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This week we did a gloss black roof on a Volvo. We've done some paint chips and a very light machine polish on a Lexus RC300h. We also undertook some work for a good friend of mine. This was a full carbon fibre bonnet that had lack appeal. So we then sanded it all down straight back to the epoxy on the carbon, and then we clear coated it, wet sanded it, and it's been polished up to a finish. For stone chips, what we use is this little gizmo. It's an artisan pen, and it brings out just enough paint for you to dab around. Absolutely brilliant. It's much better than these, where it's too big. Who'd have thought? So, something I have just noticed. Is that there? Actually quite a few. You wouldn't necessarily get this from off the assembly line or manufacturing. Big one there. So this would suggest that this has actually had a respray at some point in its life. This week I also got on with my project car, which is a 1999 BMW 540i individual. There were some rough spots on it. The front fender had a few scratches down into the metalwork, so that's all been sorted. So it's been primed, it's been base coated, and it's just now waiting for a decent spray gun to actually do the clear coat onto it. That gives me less orange peel. I'm looking for that very smooth finish out of the gun, so fingers crossed I can manage it, but we never know. So that's it for this week's video, guys. If you like it, comment. If you like it, and also subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.